Guys, in today's video, I would like to show you how you can watch adult content on YouTube. Let's dive in. First of all, you want to open your YouTube application. When you open it, you go to your home page. When you get to the home page, you click on the profile icon down below. You click on it, then it will take you to where you can click on setting. Click on setting here, and then you click on general. You click on general, you scroll down, you see where it says restricted mode. Where it says restricted mode, you can control the type of content you would like to see on YouTube in this area. When you turn it on like this, that means you have blocked any kind of adult content on YouTube. So YouTube will not be showing you any adult or matured content on YouTube. But when you turn it off, that means you'll be able to see more advanced and more matured content on YouTube. That's how to go about that. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification button so you can be notified when I drop my next video. Thank you.